Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to send bulk SMSs in Nigeria, right? Good. Now, so simply put, bulk SMS is the process of sending a large number of text messages to multiple recipients at once, right? Good. So it helps you for marketing, be trying to talk about your events like a reminder, notifications, customer engagement, and the rest of that. So on today's tutorial, we are going to use Bulk SMS Nigeria as the platform for the sending of the bulk SMS. We tried to look for a reliable one, and then this was actually prompt. Their customer service was also very good. So when you come to the home page, you sign up with your email or maybe Facebook or Google, but you can always use your email. So we've already signed up. So now let's try to log in. Good. So we are logged in. Now we can decide to use the menu here. You can fund the wallet, and then alternatively you can use this method to also fund the wallet, right? Good. So if you click on it, you can see different other options. So we have the via Monify, Paystar, crypto, and the rest of that. So you come down, you can also buy airtime, buy data. Now this is what we are interested in, right? To compose the message. It's already open. So this is where you impute what the ID. So for instance, now we are trying to send out message to our subscribers. So we can use Solutions Hub. Good. So we can use Solution Hub. However, note that there's a limit to the characters you can use here. Then here you insert your phone number. So depending on the number of phone numbers you have, the last bulk SMS we sent to over 320 something numbers, and they all went instantly, right? Good. Then you now try to compose your message. Now during composing your message, or when you're trying to compose your message, it is being charged based on the page number, the number of pages rather, that is dependent on the character. However, there are some words that you need to be careful of, like maybe birth, election, NIN, the network providers see them as spam, right? Good. So you ensure that you remove them, because if they are found in your message, when you go to proceed to see your cost analysis, it will actually flag it as a major challenge for you to look up to, right? Good. So now let's see if we can just include a phone number, and then each of the phone numbers are separated with a comma, right? Good. So you can have them on your notepad, maybe have them somewhere on notepad, or even on Excel. You can just copy and then paste them here, or you type them one after the other, which is a bit taxi, right? Good. Now after you've done that, you come to proceed to send. Now if you look closely, you can see that we have unit, right? Good. So after you have funded your wallet, they will be translated to unit. It is the unit that you now use to send your bulk SMS, right? Good. So when we sent ours, we spent over 40k, if I'm not mistaken, and then we got quite a good number of units, because the message covered about maybe over 15 pages, right? Good. And then we also add about 300 and something, and phone number. So these are some stuff that you are going to find out when you try to do the cost analysis. So if you come to the next page, they will tell you that your message has not been sent. So it's like a preview, right? Good. So you see there are no known issues. So if maybe there are some spam words in your text message, it will be flagged at this point, right? Good. And then maybe if the phone numbers are having issues, it will be flagged there. Maybe if you don't have enough units, or maybe enough funds in your wallet, it will also be flagged there, right? Good. We have some numbers that have do not disturb activated. So if you have do not disturb activated, you can see there's a direct refund, which means they cannot send it to those phone numbers, right? Good. So you can see the criteria for the different service providers, right? Good. So this is the phone number we have imputed. This is the text message we want to send. And then if we send it, there will always be another page for us to confirm, right? Good, that we want to send. However, we are not going to send it. So when you have done this and then you click on yes, send, you will see that instantly the message will go out. And then when the message goes out, there's a place you can also check to see the delivery report. So now let's come back here, and then we come to the delivery report. You can also see it under the message history that shows you the different messages that you sent. But let's come to delivery report. Now we have by batch and then last 2k report. So now let's go by batch. That's maybe the batches of bulk SMSs that you've sent. Okay, so this is actually the body of the message. We are going to blur it for privacy. Then you can now click on view report. When you click on this view report, you are going to see the number of messages that has been sent and received, the ones that are awaiting, and then the ones that have been refunded. Remember, we have do not disturb condition, right? Good. So if the numbers are under do not disturb, Bulk SMS Nigeria will actually refund you, right? Good. So this gives you a very good analysis of how much of your message have been sent and received, those that are waiting and those that have failed, right? Then you can also see their phone numbers. They would also be blurred so that for privacy, but you can also see their phone numbers when you scroll down on that particular page. So the numbers that have been, the phone numbers that have received the message, and then the time they received it. So basically, when we had the need to maybe look for this bulk SMS, to send bulk SMS, this platform came up, and then their customer service is actually very, very interesting. You can see I had some challenges and I had to chat with their customer service. I think it started with a bot before ever they transferred me to maybe a, should I call it, a human chat, right? Good. So basically, this is all you need if you want to send your bulk SMS using this Bulk SMS Nigeria platform. So if you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section, or you can chat with them, and their customer service is actually very prompt. So we are going to see you on subsequent tutorials like this. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.